How to access free Air Canada Wi-Fi and messaging. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Starting May 2025, Air Canada is offering free Wi-Fi to flights within North America, Mexico, and Caribbean. And starting 2026, Air Canada is offering free Wi-Fi across all international flights. And also, Air Canada is offering free messaging or free text messaging. But in order to access the free text messaging and Wi-Fi, you need to do a few things before you're even boarding your flight, and that's what I'll tell you today. Now, the free text messaging is available as of now on all flights, and you can use your native message app or WhatsApp or Meta's Messenger or other apps, which you can find the list on Air Canada website. I'll give you a link in the description box below, which you'll be able to see. So the first thing you need to do before even you board on the flight, add your airplane number to your existing booking. If you do not have an airplane membership, this is free. You can easily sign up and then add it to your booking. And if you are not able to book it by yourself, then you can just call your travel agent, or you can just go online and book it, add it to your booking online. So this is the first thing you need to do before you check in for your flight. Now, the second thing, when you're inside the flight, then you have to turn on the airplane mode and turn on Wi-Fi once the flight attendants okay that. And then once you have the Wi-Fi mode on with airplane mode on, then open a browser on your phone and try to get the AC Wi-Fi network, which should be on the flight. So once you connect to the AC network, or it might say AC Wi-Fi, you'll know when you look at it. So connect it to AC network or Wi-Fi, and then that will give you free internet access. And in order to access the free messaging, just open your native message app, which is supported by Google, Apple, or WhatsApp, or Meta app, and there are a few others which you can see on the Air Canada website. And then just like regular send just message as you usually do, and you should be able to send text messages to your local phone numbers to your friends and family. So the free internet is coming from 2024 internationally, but as of right now, starting May, you can have free internet or free Wi-Fi within North America, Mexico, and Caribbean flights. But free messaging should be available as of right now across all flights, both North American and international flights. And this is available to Air Canada, Air Canada Rogue, Air Canada Express. And I'll give you a Air Canada link in the description box below, and you can find out for more information. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.